when we encounter a situation where aluminum is not melting during welding. First, let's look at our power settings. Peak power. Due to the reflective nature of aluminum as a material, so our general power settings will be relatively high. Usually, the peak power is set between 600 and 1200 watts. Check if your power is reaching. Next, check the settings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check the laser's values to see if they match the specifications on your machine's nameplate, and make sure the power matches. If your machine's power is 1500 watts, but your value here is 2000 watts, even if you set the power to 1000 watts, when you use it, the actual power won't reach 1000 watts. Once we confirm these values, check if your welding gun is at the focal point. Perform a welding operation. With the clamp attached to the gun head, set the power to 500 watts. Light emission. You can see the light going from weak to strong. When your gun head gets close to the aluminum block, listen for a sizzling sound. Is the light in its strongest state? If it's not at the focal point, then we need to find the focal point. We must slightly increase the power to around 500 watts. Then when we weld aluminum, due to a characteristic of aluminum, we need to find the positive focal point and cannot use negative focus. Set the power to 500 watts. Import. Observe this light. It starts weak and gradually becomes stronger. When you hear this sizzling sound, it means you have found the focal point. Then check its height. At this point, we need to extend the length of the gun barrel and make contact with the aluminum plate at a position of approximately 3 to 5 millimeters. Then pull it slightly outward. Pull it about 3 millimeters. Let's verify if we have found the focal point. From weak to strong. When my gun barrel touches the aluminum plate, you should hear a sizzling sound. This indicates that we have found the focal point.